So what's going on, y'all? This is the deal. I want to vent because something fishy is going on with YouTubers, FTX, and just the whole market, right? So the first thing is I noticed the drama that I talked about with Jeremy, financial education, everything money, and I really hate YouTubers that have to put other people name in their mouth to get views and clicks. I don't respect anybody that do it as a content creator, that come up with ideas, plan them out, execute them, and get better. I don't respect other people to do it. Now, I said a few times about FTX, right? I speculated. This was not any knowledge, but I'm a smart individual. I consider myself a smart individual. Well, I can add 2 + 2, right? I said the reason, and you can look up the videos, I'll probably have it at the end where you can click it, where I said there's a reason why FTX is beating crypto.com and beating all of these other exchanges right now when it comes down to download, clicks, and growth right now. And it's because they did the smart thing of going directly to the YouTubers. And what they did, I assumed, this is, allegedly, they went towards a lot of top YouTubers, over 100,000 subscribers, got a lot of views, and was like, look, I'm going to give you guys $100,000 a year if you primarily just, promote FTX. So overnight, you literally seen all top YouTubers with a lot of subscribers. Every single one of them started pumping FTX. Just didn't make any sense. It's like, wow, everybody then teamed up with FTX. And me personally, I didn't, I have FTX. I believe the app is too old school. They need to update it to make it user friendly. And I, as a newer YouTuber, right? So like a year ago, I had 1,000 subscribers, and now I'm about to be at 19,000. I'm not huge, but on a daily basis, I get Tesla has an upcoming earning report coming up Wednesday, July 20th. So as a growing YouTuber, I get emails every single day about sponsorships, and 99% of them are scam. There are companies that want me to use my following, my voice, my influence to scam y'all, and they're willing to pay me for it. I've showed y'all on my live some of these emails, and the way I am, I have so much integrity with my name. That's not how I roll. Turn them all down. And the only company I ever took money with, or companies I ever took money with, are companies that I will personally use myself. If I don't have my money in this company to use it, I'm not going, because for me to promote it is not going to feel genuine. I need to promote something that is like, yo, this is how you use it. This is what I stand by, type of deal. And I'm saying that to say, I, as a YouTuber, look at things different. I see so many of these top YouTube channels promoting scams, and I'm like, this should be illegal. And I told y'all on the channel that you'll see it a lot more because most people don't know how to balance and budget their money and their finances correctly. So when things are going down, stocks are going down, crypto are going down, people's money situation is different. So they're willing to do desperate things and lower their integrity for the bag. That's what's happening really right now. So I'm saying this all this to say a few things just trigger, right? First thing is, what is it called? Millennial Money is a channel I watch. It's with Andre Jig, Graham Stephan, Jeremy from Financial Education, and also was me, Kevin. So the top YouTubers in finance teamed up and built and started the channel. So they're saying they basically shutting the channel down, and they're saying because they are burnt out. I looked at the comments, did some research. People like, look, FTX just canceled their sponsorship, because if you are signing a long-term deal, you can't do that. So it didn't make any sense. And I put 2 and 2 together. If they're paying them 6 figures, right? let's say 300,000. Each person get 100,000 a year. That's their only sponsorship, because that's the only sponsor that they talk about every channel. And if they cancel and terminate the sponsorship, they're only making money from ad revenue, which let's say is $10,000 a month. That sounds like a lot of money to me and you, but being divided by 3, then having somebody to edit it, let's say they're making $2,000 a month. That's not a lot of money to a millionaire. Your time is everything. Now, if you have that sponsorship, it actually helps out. It makes a little bit more sense. So in reality, I'm not a dummy. Since the FTX sponsorship went out, they're not having that money. That's the reason why they're stopping the podcast. It's not worth the time. Then I did more research, and I didn't even know, Jeremy posts a video about FTX saying the reason he is not doing FTX video, he canceled their sponsorship because he felt it was basically saying they're a scam, saying 8% seemed too high, and I seen a clip of it, and it seemed like he gave lying energy, which I'm a supporter and watch him. He gave lying energy, and the video was taken down. I'm assuming FTX have billions of dollars. You're not about to bash your name. If they've been paying you money, they will completely put him to zero. They got too much money. They will sue him, and legal issues. You don't want those problems with somebody that got 1,000,000 times more money than you. They're gonna win every time. Then I seen Tom Nash did a video exposing the letter that they sent every single content creator or content creator saying they are terminating their deal. He deleted that video, probably because FTX told him to. So what it looks like to me is what I originally told people. FTX reached out to a bunch of creators and was like, look, we're about to give y'all $100,000 each a year. Say they did it to 20 creators, that's only $2 million. Not a lot of money. More likely they did more. And what FTX didn't realize, they see a lot of views. They don't understand views don't go to conversions, because a lot of viewers just watch to support the entertainment. Their conversion rate is not high. So for example, if I have only 19,000 subscribers, right? And I get 1,000 views on this video, and I tell you guys go click the link. Let's say I get 10% conversion. I got 100 people to click it, and I got another 10% conversion of people signing up. So I got 10 people to sign up with Moomoo link in the bio or Webull, I can show them, all right, I'm getting, 10% conversion, people clicking it, 10% people signing up, 10 people. Most of these big YouTubers are getting 1% or 2%. Yes, they're getting a lot of views, but you can have somebody small as me getting more people to sign up than them. And I got proof because I got deals, affiliate deals. I have sponsored companies. And when I'm negotiating, I can show it like, yo, I actually can bring this, I can do that. So it looked like a lot of these YouTubers wasn't getting a good enough conversions, and FTX is spending money frivolously, what makes no sense. What FTX do, what I noticed is they're bailing out they're playing Mr. Save-A-Ho with all of these bad ran crypto companies. Voyager is a bad ran crypto company, and you're trying to bail them out, what makes no sense. You're trying to do this crypto bailout, and if you're a crypto company and crypto go down, you're gonna run out of money. So all of these exchanges unfortunately have their things, crypto.com, FTX, all of them. A lot of them made money when it was cool and it was easy to make money, but now a lot of things are being exposed. People are being exposed. I said it a long time ago, you have to be careful on who you watch and who you support, because all of these YouTubers don't have your best interest. Me, I always been a transparent one, where it come down to stocks I own. I have no problem showing people how much money I make on YouTube. I literally click it and show y'all Y'all know I'm a transparent YouTuber. It is what it is. More transparent you are, don't really gotta lie. So I think it's a lot of fishy stuff going on within the YouTube community. Be careful who you watch. I could do videos and name drop all type of shit, but I'm not that type of person. Just yeah, man, I just wanted to vent because it pissed me off as a YouTuber, somebody that grows my channel and try to do the right thing, and it sucks to me. Somebody with character and integrity is when a company will offer me a $5,000 bag for a 1-minute sponsorship video and me not do it, but I will see this person do it and still have views and still have subscribers. So I'm like, damn. It's like, man, I can be making 6 figures off of YouTube easy right now. Other people are doing it and they're still getting the views, still getting the stuff. But the way I am, I just, I'm not that type of person. So all I ask is to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Got links in the bio of companies that I work with. It's not a sponsored video. You'll see sponsor across if it was. I don't know, man. What's y'all thoughts? Are you guys noticing it? Do you care? Do you not care? Because this is probably a video that's not going to get a lot of views because it's not about anything. It's just me venting about inside YouTube stuff. All right, I'm out.